How to enable or disable S Pen vibrations on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. And in here, tap on advanced features. After that, tap on S Pen. Then we scroll down and tap on more S Pen settings. Then go down and tap on vibrations. Tap on the vibrations toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Here it said, vibrate your phone when you insert or remove the S Pen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos. And this is the S Pen vibrations on the Galaxy S25 series.